Hey hi kids. Welcome to Bakika Magical Kid.
We are going to learn about shapes. Do you know how to make shape bus? Can you tell me what shape is this?
It is an oval. Can you dance? Super.
Go and take your position. Oval. What shape is this?
It is a square. Can you dance for me? Wow.
Go and take your position. Square. What is the name of this shape?
It is a circle. Dance please. Lovely.
Go and take your position. Circle. Hey, look who is coming.
It is a triangle. Can you dance? Great.
Go and take your position. Triangle. Can you tell me what shape is this?
It is a rectangle. Come on, show your talent. Wow.
Take your position now. Rectangle. Can you tell me what shape is this?
It is a heart. Can you dance for me? Awesome.
You can move next to heart. What shape is this?
It is a star. Can you dance for me? Awesome.
You can move star. Can you tell me what shape is this?
It is a diamond. Can you dance for me? Awesome.
Take your position now. Diamond. Can you tell me what shape is this?
It is a pentagon. Come on, show your talent. Wow.
You can move pentagon. Can you tell me what shape is this?
It is a hexagon. Can you dance for me? Awesome.
Take your position now. Hexagon. What shape is this?
It is a octagon. Can you dance for me? Super.
Take your position now. Octagon. Hey, look who is coming.
It is a crescent. Can you dance? Awesome.
Go and take your position. Crescent. We are shapes. Next, we are going to make a bus with the help of these shapes. We have learned the shapes. Now, by using these shapes, we make a bus and color it. Alex, could you please explain how to create a bus using shapes like circles and squares?
Our first shape is a circle. Use it as the bus wheel. Now, take a star and place it inside the circle. Now, take a rectangle and place it on top of the two wheels. Now, take 4 squares and place them inside the rectangle to create a window. What should we do next? Let us create the roof of the bus-shaped object using 4 triangles. Next, we'll use circles and rectangles to create the front portion of the bus where the driver sits. Finally, we can use a semicircle to make the headlight.
We are shapes. We'll do coloring to shape bus.
Now it's time to add some color to the shapes to create our bus, and then we can take it on the road. Wow!
Keep moving. Shape's bus is almost there. We'll do coloring to shape bus.
Don't move, please stay there. We're very close to getting our colorful bus-shaped object.